Hello, my beautiful people. Greetings to you all once again. You are welcome back again to Jackie BCN. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to make your natural mango juice. So delicious, guys, and so fast. So let's dive into it. Please subscribe to my channel, please, if you have not done so. So this is just a few recipe I'm going to be using. This is a sugar, mango, and milk. So you can use any milk of your choice. So what I will just do, I'll just go ahead and peel the mango without wasting time. It's so fast and natural. I believe after watching this video, buying juice in the market might not be too necessary again, because buying juice in the market, it can have some preservative in order for the juice not to get spoiled or stain. So you can just go ahead and buy any fruit of your choice, and your fruit juice will be ready. Guys, can you see what I'm doing? I'll just slice this into a smaller pieces so that when I want to blend it without wasting time. Now that I'm done, guys, the next thing is just for me to take it straight to the blender that I'm going to be using. So once I am done, just 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, I will just add it. I'll add milk. Just depends on how you want the lightness to look like. Guys, please like the video. So I will just blend it. I will make sure it's well smooth. So once I am done, I will taste it. If I like how the taste looks like, the thickness is ready to go. So I'm going to be getting ice cream out from it. I will take this one to my freezer. Within a few hours, it will be ready. Children like this for this summer, guys. Go ahead, make this one for your family, for your kids. They will tell you, "Mommy, you are the best." Can you see it? So this one, you can serve it around the whole house for your kids, for your husband, for your friends. In fact, they will appreciate you. Guys, you love what you are seeing? If you love what you are seeing, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you see the next one whenever I upload again. And I will be uploading soon again so that you will not be left out. So this one is already in form of ice cream now. It's already blocked. So I cannot really remove it like that. So what I'm going to do, I'll just put a cold water on a plate. Put it for 1 second. Then when I want to pull it, it will not be easy. Can you see how it looks like now? Guys, it's ready. Giving this one to your kids, they will appreciate it. I hope you love what you are seeing. I really want to appreciate you for watching the video. Please share the video. This one is an easy recipe, easy natural mango to prepare, so that your friends, they can also enjoy it this summer. Guys, share the video. Please put like. Don't watch without putting any like, and put your comment also. Your comment is very important. Please put your comment. Subscribe if you have not done so. Guys, thank you so much for being a part of this family. See you soon again on my next video. Bye bye.